In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use automation for workflows in Smartsheet. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know how to quickly set up an automated workflow using a template, so your sheet can do more of the repetitive work for you. First, make sure you're in the Smartsheet sheet where you want to add automation. At the top of the screen, look for the automation menu. This is usually found in the main toolbar along the top of your sheet view. Go ahead and click on automation. This is your central hub for building rules that can send alerts, request updates, move rows, or trigger other actions when something in your sheet changes. When the automation menu opens, you'll see several options. For this video, we're going to use a faster method by starting from a pre-built option. Click on Create from Template. Using a template is helpful if you're not yet familiar with every automation setting, because Smartsheet provides common workflows that are already structured for typical use cases, like approval flows or reminder notifications. After you click Create from Template, a new window or panel will appear showing a gallery of available automation templates. Take a moment to scroll through these options. Each template will usually have a short description explaining what it does, such as sending alerts when a due date is approaching, notifying someone when a status changes, or kicking off an approval process. Next, select the template that best matches what you're trying to accomplish. To do this, simply click on the template card you want to use. When you select it, Smartsheet will load a preview of the workflow so you can see the trigger, conditions, and actions that are already configured. This gives you a good starting point so you don't have to build the entire automation from scratch. Once you've selected your template, follow the on-screen prompts to customize it for your sheet. Smartsheet will guide you step by step. Typically, you will be asked to confirm the trigger, like when a row is added or when a specific column changes. You may need to choose which column controls the automation, set conditions such as a particular status or date, and specify who should receive notifications or approvals. Make sure to review each field carefully and update any placeholder values, such as generic email recipients or example conditions, so that the workflow matches your real process. When you're done following the prompts, save your workflow. It will now be active on your sheet, and from that point on, Smartsheet will automatically run those actions whenever the trigger conditions are met.